Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello class 7 pupils, welcome to today's lesson. We are on the topic scale drawing. We said that scale is a representation of the actual distance to the distance on a map or on a piece of paper. So we looked at scale in linear and in statement and in a ratio form. And today I want us to look at scale drawing, how to make scale drawing, or how to work out questions involving making scale drawing. For example, you are given an example as on a map is drawn to a scale of 1 is to 20,000. A map is drawn to a scale of 1. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 is to 20,000. That is the scale of the map. Then you are told a river, a line on the map 4 centimeters long. A line on the map 4 centimeters long represents a river. A line 4 centimeters long on the map is drawn to represent a river. What is the actual length of the river in meters? What is the actual length of the river in meters? So, using our scale, we now convert this scale from ratio scale to linear scale. Our scale will be 1 centimeter represents 20,000 centimeters. We just insert centimeters the way it is, as we said in the previous lesson. So, the scale of that map is 1 centimeter represents 20,000 centimeters. So, if 1 centimeter represents 20,000 centimeters, how many centimeters? So we can say 1 centimeter represents how many meters? Convert 20,000 centimeters to meters. This one will be, we divide by 100. So our scale will be 1 centimeter represents 200 meters. So if 1 centimeter on the map represents 200 meters on the ground, that's now the interpretation of the scale. 1 centimeter on the map will represent 200 meters on the ground. So, if 1 centimeter represents 200 meters, what about 4 centimeters on the map will represent how many meters? What are we going to do? We cross multiply. So, to get the actual length, because actually we are looking for the actual length of the map, we take the drawing length. To get actual length, we get drawing length times the scale. This is how we get the actual length of the in scale drawing. To get the actual length, we get the drawing length, that is 4 centimeters, times the scale. In our case, the scale will be 200. So, 4 centimeters will represent 4 times 200, which will represent 800 meters. That is now the actual length of that river. Because on the map, 1 centimeter represents 200 meters. So 4 centimeters will represent 800 meters. Another example. I give you another example. A map is drawn to a scale of a map is drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter represents 50,000. 1 centimeter, or rather the ratio is 1 is to 50,000. A map is drawn on the scale 1 is to 50,000. A river or a road is 4 kilometers long, is represented on the map. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 is to 50,000. Then you are told, let's say 500,000. Then you are told a road is 4 kilometers long, is drawn on the map. What will be the drawing length of that? What will be the drawing length of that road on the map? A map is drawn to a scale 1:50,000. A map is drawn to a scale 1:50,000. And a road is 4 kilometers long. What would be the drawing length of that road on the map? So what are we going to do? Write the scale in statement in linear form. 1 centimeter will represent 50,000 centimeters. We've just inserted centimeters. Convert this one to meters. We say 1 centimeter represents, how many meters are these? 500 meters. We can still, because we are given the drawing length in kilometers, we say that 1 centimeter represents, how many kilometers are these? 500 meters, the same as 0.5 kilometers. So this is just the same scale. It was in ratio form, then we've written it as in statement form. So if 1 centimeter represents 4 kilometers, what about 4 kilometers will represent, how many centimeters will represent 4 kilometers? In other words, to get the drawing length, we take the actual length divided by the scale. We get the actual length, we divide by the scale. In our case, the actual length is 4 kilometers divided by the scale, which is 0.5. The scale is what 1 centimeter will represent. That is what we are calling the scale. So we multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So this will be 4 times 10 over 5 by 5, 1 by 5, 2. So the line will be 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters on the map will be drawn to represent 4 kilometers. So that is how we work out questions involving making scale drawings. Thank you.